guys, it's your girl Shantae, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my updated curly hair wash day routine. I have grew to learn how my hair works, so I updated my curly hair routine. I had one last year that I will post down below for you guys, post a link down below for you guys. And I'm just going to give you guys an updated version of my curly hair routine as well as for my children. I already showed you guys what I do for their hair. So before we jump into this video, make sure that you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you this video whenever I upload. So without further ado, let's get to this because I need to wash my hair. Alright you guys, so as you can see, my hair is quite dry. It has been in the wash and go for about a week now. So first I'm just going to wet my hair. Next I will be applying my shampoo, and I always use the Aussie brand. I'm going to be washing it out, and then I will apply my conditioner. Now I will be applying my homemade deep conditioning, and I will be leaving it in my hair for 30 minutes. I'll put the links down below for you guys if you guys are interested in trying it. Now it's time for me to wash it out before the next step. Since my scalp tends to get dry very fast, I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar to my hair. I also add oil to the mixture as well, and I just massage it on my scalp and leave it on for a minute and then wash it out. Now my hair is nice and moisturized. Time for the next step. Now I will be separating my hair and adding my rice water to my scalp. Now I will put a link down below on how I make my rice water and how I make it smell good. Adding some leave-in conditioner to my hair. So this is the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace and love.